Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to Placements Nepal, your go-to destination for the latest job opportunities. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting job updates. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have here for today. Today we have got something truly exciting for all your software development enthusiasts. We have a fantastic work from home opportunity that you can't afford to miss. So let's dive right in. The opportunity comes from Persists Ventures, a venture studio with a focus on making a real impact. Based in USA, they are expanding their horizons and setting up shop right here in India. And guess what? They are sharing their journey with the world on their YouTube channel. Isn't that fascinating? Now let's talk about the exciting responsibilities you will be taking on. Your primary task will be working on completing an app that's going to be published on you.com. Imagine the exposure and impact your work could have. But that's not all. You will also be working on making the app capable of converting an MP3 file into a AI generated music video. Do you have what it takes to grab this opportunity by the horns? Let's take a look at the requirements. You should feel confident about completing an app that will be published on you.com. If you are not already experienced, don't worry, you can always learn and grow, and make sure to brush up on your Git and GitHub skills. It's an essential tool in the software developer's arsenal. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Now let's talk about who can apply to this golden opportunity. This work from home internship is open to those of you who are ready to work from the comfort of your home. If you can kickstart a journey between 28th September and 2nd November, you are in. Plan to commit for 3 whole months and have the skills and interests that match this role. Here's a fantastic path. This opportunity is open to women looking to start or restart their careers. Equality and opportunity for all. Wait, there's more. By joining Persist Ventures, you'll get some fantastic perks, a signing certificate to showcase your achievement, a glowing letter of recommendation for the future endeavors, the flexibility to manage your work hours as per your convenience. So how can you apply to this job? I provided the link to this application in the video description. Click on that and you will come to this interface. So this is Indian startup platform. You have to create a profile here and give your details and resume. And then you can directly apply by clicking on this apply button. So if you get selected, then they will revert back to you through the same platform, or you will get a mail. So what are you waiting for? Seize this chance to work with Persist Ventures, be a part of their incredible journey and supercharge your career. The clock is ticking, so don't miss out. Thank you for tuning in to Placements Nepal today. If this opportunity got you excited, hit that apply button right now. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay updated on more fantastic job openings. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning and keep achieving. Good luck, job seekers.